IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How do you feel about paying to enter a museum? Band 5. Answer.
I think paying to enter a museum is okay, but maybe it should be cheaper. I don't go to museums a lot, so I don't really think about it, but if it's too expensive, then I don't want to go.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, not always developed, a bit hesitant. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, limited range, repeats, museum. Grammar, mostly simple structures, a few errors, limited complexity. Pronunciation, generally understandable, lacks finesse. Typical of a Band 5, communicates but without precision, development, or sophistication. Band 7.5 Answer.
I don't mind paying an entrance fee as long as it feels reasonable. Museums require funding to maintain exhibitions and preserve artifacts, so I think fees are justified, although high prices can discourage people from visiting.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well organized, develops the idea clearly. Lexical resource, good range, preserve artifacts, discourage. Grammar, mix of complex and simple structures with control. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5, flexible language and coherent reasoning, but not fully sophisticated. Band 9 Answer.
I think entrance fees are reasonable, provided they strike a balance between accessibility and sustainability. Museums are vital cultural institutions, and the revenue allows them to curate high-quality exhibitions and conserve historical treasures. However, excessively high prices effectively gatekeep culture, which defeats the purpose.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, fully developed, nuanced argument, cohesive. Lexical resource, precise and sophisticated. Gatekeep culture, conserve historical treasures. Grammar, excellent control of complex structures. Pronunciation, natural, effortless, and idiomatic. Typical of a Band 9, depth, precision, and elegance in delivery. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.